In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. People ask me, which nation will be success? Maulana, tell us in the short term. Very good question. Please listen to me carefully. Any nation has a three qualities. It will be successful in this world and hereafter. For any nation has a best leadership. First of all, best leadership. Second, has a knowledge. Has a knowledge. Third, unity. These three qualities, maybe any nation, any country, inshallah, it will be, it will become successful. It will counted in successful nation. Wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.